To access Google's largely unfiltered sample of actual search requests made by online users, go to google.com/trends. The search engine has launched a special coronavirus search trends page dedicated to the global pandemic. Click here to get to the page. The coronavirus page starts with the day's trending insights in your region. Be sure to click the arrow to see all of the insights of the day. To see trending insights from previous days, click the More Coronavirus Daily Insights link. The website offers the top 5 coronavirus queries and the top 5 how-to questions. Like most items listed on this page, clicking on the questions will open up a new window showing the results page users are getting. You can see which subregions, metro areas, and cities are trending in daily coronavirus searches depending on the country. You can toggle the data between map view and list view. Click through these arrows to view all the results. You can see which queries are trending by region and sort them by rising or top trends. A rising trend will show you which questions had the most significant growth in the past day, while the top trend will show what people are asking about the most in the past day. Click the arrows to see all 25 queries, and click on one of these to see its own Google Trends data. Scrolling further down will show you broader interest queries, such as questions about unemployment, the stock market, testing, school closures, search interest around the world, and preparation and protection. Each query category has rising and top trend sorting options, so be sure to click through both options to gather the most insight.